to go a little bit?
No.
We've been on and off again and again.
Good job, buddy.
I don't know which way we're going, no
Little
control.
left-hander.
You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin.
Ooh, what is in today's Secret Santa? Well, here comes Mr. Freddy. Gotta be in the know.
Ooh. Taco cat goat cheese pizza.
Baby, give me a sign.
Okie
Just give me one more.
What even is it?
I have no idea, but it has a gorilla song in
Beg it
it.
for more.
Okay. Hey, Freddy Bear.
Others can't resist to
Oh,
be a little
thank you,
risk
Mummy.
and go for it 'cause I want
Okay, shall we play?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
What?
Yeah, my turn.
Oh, you need to put it down, otherwise you can't go like gorilla.
Song goat.
No, you go taco.
No.
Okay, start from the start.
So give me
Taco?
a sign.
Oh, Jake, that's you.
Taco.
Oh, give me a sign.
Cat.
Baby, give me a sign.
Oh, Jake, that's you.
Just give me one more. Talking to you and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go?
Wait, what? I know, because I said taco. I said
You've got to take the music. I'm not even getting a turn.
taco.
Riley, that's you. Because it's taco. Because he said taco, that's a taco.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now you go.
I could go further.
Taco.
Oh,
Tricks we could
that
do.
count?
I think that's me. Taco.
Say you think about it too. When the lights go out.
Taco.
No.
Oh,
Should be
taco.
I should be. We've been on.
Ready?
got the- he's
Oh,
got
you
the
got
manual.
instructions.
I don't know which way we're going. No control. You push me, then you pull me back in. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going. No control. You push me, then you pull me back in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, baby, just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign.
Ready, come back in with that card.
Just give me one more. Talking to you and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me.
The two-time champion of taco, cat, goat, cheese, and pizza, baby.
Okay.
Where's the goat card?
Okay. In your
Because I'm goated.
gracious in victory and defeat.
Give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Give me a sign.
It's just what the goat do.
Just give me one more.
Freddy.
Ready.
Come here, Freddy.
It's very light.
Yeah, this one's a really little one.
It's good though.
Okay. Oh! Yes! This is exactly what I want.
Really?
Hey, yoo-hoo!
I mean, not exactly, but
I would just need to
it's
find the
very
recipe.
convenient.
Very convenient. The recipe for gingerbread cookies.
Yes.
Or I thought we could make the pancakes out with these. I think it would work if you
Yeah.
greased them
Yeah,
and
if you,
pour the
yeah, that's what
pancake.
I'm, yeah.
Let's try.
You know what else I'm thinking?
I've got a waggly tail.
Yeah, what's that?
Your special. Your special.
That's the song.
Is this recording? Well,
Are they a little bit soggy in the middle?
no, they're fine. I mean, they are kind of salty, but only kind of. They are quite cold.
These ones are hotter. I kind of like my oat and banana ones better though.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day.
It's perfect. I was looking for ages for something that would suit the balcony. It's gonna hold heaps. Keep it all locked away. Maybe we'll just put some little shelves inside.
Keep you locked on.
Yeah, some... Look, there's one side for each of you. Put a little water bowl here for you, Riley, and a
Put a
little,
little like hamster.
little dry food. Yeah, something to keep you occupied.
Just like some cat.
No
food down
screens.
there.
We have to put this on, but I'm not sure how that's.
Yeah, we'll just do that later.
Oh, yeah, just clicks in actually. Just clicks on the thing. Hold on.
No, let's just check if it actually closed. Oh.
What? I give up.
Ooh. What did you pick tonight? Some Cadbury roses? Ooh. Ooh, look at that. It's pretty. Oh, Freddie, it's not all Freddie. It's not all about you, pal. Oh, it's so pretty.
I think I'm
Peppermint
gonna
for
have,
mummy. Riley, what are you gonna have?
I'm thinking of a dark matcha nougat or a classic caramel.
Oh, actually, which one's that one? Let me try that one. What is that?
It's like a
Reddish. I think it might be this.
yeah.
Got crispy nuts. Yum.
Yeah.
You're gonna be in big trouble.
Oh, come on, let's play. This is like a good angle. Cat. Switch on. You're on goat.
Goat. You're a big taco.
We still haven't played Pictionary.
Riley.
No, he wasn't ready.
Yeah. Goat, Riley. You're a goat. You're a goat.
Goat.
Here's all the
Taco.
groundhogs. Right.
Duke Nukem. Pucker up. What did you say?
Yeah, just Duke Nukem. Oh, wait, no, it's Pucker up, Duke Nukem.
No. Pucker up or sucker up?
Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
I think we're gonna have to flip the
Wait, is
living room back around after Christmas.
What is it?
I have no idea.
Freddie, not everything's about you, buddy.
Ooh.
Ooh! Ooh!
Ooh.
Toxic waste.
Ooh.
Toxic waste lollies. Sour lollies.
Dude, both for me? Thanks,
Yeah.
Mom.
Put on your buddy. I'm just trying to get some storage on the phone.
Freddie. Hello, cutie. Melon, toxic waste, and what do you have?
Black cherry.
Black cherry. Okay, I'll wait for you so we can just do it at the same time.
Cheers.
Yeah, if you want. Huge.
Fused together to Christmas hearts. Let this mistletoe moment give me everything
Yeah,
I
shower.
want. I'm not sure he even knows my name, but that we will remedy right here.
We're going to run through this grocery haul very quickly. We've got some milk, we've got some eggnog, we've got some oat milk, olive oil, a couple of extra mousses because the kids went in to get some things that we forgot from the grocery order. They saw that, they ordered it, but they didn't know that I already had ordered it because we haven't seen those for a long time at the supermarket. We've got some corn, and Woolworths gave us some extra because one was close to its expiry date. So we are going to have some barbecue corn, which is delicious. Olive oil, sour cream for potato salad, whipped cream for chocolate ripple cake, whipped cream for hot chocks and things, just some coffee pods, some strawberries, blueberries, raspberries for our choc ripple cake, some pretzels for making reindeer cookies, just some cranberries for a little Christmas cocktail mix, red onion for salad. I thought this was like a gingerbread mix, like gingerbread making mix, but it's actually just a mix of these already made cookies, but that's okay because they're pretty good anyway. Some ginger nuts to make the reindeer cookies, Ritz because Riley loves them, some wraps, apricot for the ham glaze for Christmas, just some salted corn chips, just for some easy meals for between Christmas and New Year, Christmas cocktail mix, just some snacks, shapes, pasta just for the pantry, some salad, another onion, dried apricots, cheeses for Christmas kind of thing, some coriander and mint, and sage just for one of the recipes. And this is what you make the chocolate ripple cake out of. I'm actually not sure that's going to be enough, so we might need to get another one of those. Then just some cream cheese for some smoked salmon, little appetizers, some olives, and some little things for making a platter. Just some crackers for platter. More crackers just because that's kind of what we do. Just have platters and things in the afternoon. Some cheese for making toasted sandwiches, pepperoni for making homemade pizzas. This is just like, we like these on the barbecue. These are really nice. The Godfather. Tiny bit of spice, but not too spicy. Even Riley can eat those no problem. This is for one of the recipes for Christmas. Just more platter things. Some bacon for a couple of things that we're making. Just again more platter stuff. And then I think they gave us some extras. The guy who put the delivery in for us said there was some extra things that they put in, and I think that they must have like super leftovers of ham because I only ordered, oh no, I think they've replaced it. So I ordered the Miguel Mastro free range ham, and they must have replaced it with a couple of different options. So there's that, and there's also that. And then just some easy little chicken tenders to go in the freezer as a quick oven dinner. Some spaghetti and some smoked salmon. So that, oh, and then they gave us these little Merry Christmas from the whole team at Woolworths. Thanks for picking Woolworths this Christmas. So that was kind of cute of them. Some nice little lolly bags. Cool. Now to quickly put this away. Got the aircon cranking, so it's about 30 degrees outside at 9:30. Okay, stacked to the pretty much max. But that's okay. Santa, if we could have a bigger fridge, please. Thank you so much.
Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible. How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me?
Can we skip to the good part?